day 3 and we're about to go through the, what is it? Hair Castle tunnel. It's going to go pitch black in a minute, so you're not going to see much. And I can't get past these lovely people to take some pictures, so I hope you forgive me.
It's guiding you, Mum. Hey? It's guiding you. I know that. I see this.
And you can't see the end.
It's very difficult.
Yeah.
How many metres is it? Oh,
Yeah, no,
yes.
but 2,000 and something. 45-minute journey through. Yeah.
Look, I can see anything.
It says on here somewhere 2,000 something.
Sea fish and chip shop.
Was it 2?
1 3/4 miles long.
1 3/4 miles long, and it's just a black hole.
And you have to leg it through one main lane on top.
Hey, up we go then, John. So there's not a lot of point in having this turned on because it's complete darkness. We'll see you at the other end. Coming out to Narnia land, Norma. Watch your head, Dave. Whoa.
It's nearly through my phone.
I thought it might have been sunny day today. Morning.
Morning.
All right.
Watch your head's coming out.
I would like to say that was kept for historic reasons. It wasn't. It was kept because if we pull that down, the whole building will fall down. It's part of the building. That isn't actually the kiln. The kiln is inside. Again, it's on what's called a paternoster lift, and the lift actually goes continually going round. Really beautiful. She manages into factories to power things. The theory was that if you go that high, smoke would go above. The slip it's drawn into the plastic, and that's what makes it chip. It draws the water out, so it leaves like a skin, which is the serum going to cast the shell. So this is absorbing the water. After a while, it's just totally inefficient. It just doesn't do anything after a while, so that gets scrapped again. So, depending on the detail on the piece, there is something like that, that you wouldn't get laying cast out of the top. You have to make a lot of more to that. This one you would. So, it's just all plastic.
This is Middleport. Is it called Middleport? Middleport Pottery. Hi.
That's the only thing with this design,
It was very, very entertaining.
Make sure you get them if you've never done it again. Get the other one that is like that.
Yeah, but I suppose it's designed for more people. The other one, no, 12, I think.
10.
10.
10. Yeah, because we've got 10 lots of everything.
Yeah. Yeah, 2.
It's quite big, isn't it? This is all part of it as well, isn't it? Oh,
Sorry?
the crows.
I mean, there was a lot more.
Or,
There's
crows.
a lot more there.
Oh, yeah, you
For
could have
us to
spent,
say.
you
jackdaws,
could have
really.
spent a couple of days there,
Yeah.
really.
Yeah.
But,
To walk the other side and go up the lane, the
John
other
needs to
side.
let us know how much we owe him as well.
It was £45 between the stops. So. We've got
What,
four.
having us really 3 ways?
Yeah.
I mean, I know we've got concessions, but...
Yeah.
We've just left Middleport Pottery and we're heading, well, this is on the outskirts of Stoke-on-Trent, would you believe? So pretty here. We've got a few miles to go before we meet more tonight. Rich wants to go to a boys' toys shop. I don't really know what that means. Probably means that he's going to be spending a lot of money. It's a lot warmer today than it was yesterday. And I forgot to put the wind sock on. Hopefully you can hear me. I can hear a lot of background car noise, so I hope we get quite a long way past all this to more tonight, otherwise we're going to have a noisy night. Hiya. Everyone's just so friendly. It's really lovely. Wave! Woo! Can you see? Can you still see? Can you see? Here are the navigators. They're not the navvies.
Well, I'm just following the map.
We'll go for a little walk down the back, shall we? And I can get down the steps. Whoops. It's a bit tight. Oh. I'm going my hands on these.
Should have made them slidey so we can slide along.
I need one of them balls. I should take one from the pottery. Here we go. Keeps coming open. Didn't show you this, Lou. It's only tiny. There's no toilet roll in here.
Yeah.
You need some toilet roll in there. Let me. Can't see. Can't see.
Hey?
Can't see.
Can't you see?
No.
Tough.
You're in the way again.
I'm in the way.
You and your stomach gets in the way of everything. There you go. There's the outside world. Hello. Bye bye.
Oh, I see him standing at the lock. I thought it was the lock.
Keeper. Mm.
Good spectator sport, is it?
Yeah, very good. We're enjoying it.
Right, I'm going in Pacific.
Oh, is he going back?
Where's he going?
Go back, Rich. I think we're gonna. No.
Close to us.
You're near the bank. Oh, I see.
I'm coming in. It's coming. I'm coming in.
I'm coming out.
Are you coming out, John?
Yeah, might as well.
Your turn. You can go out. I'm going in. Follow me.
It's all right.
Right.
It's all right.
Moving back.
Oh. You going out, John?
That's it.
But hold on, because we're going to be bashing in a minute.
Hold on.
Mum.
Okay, all right. Well, I'm trying to... Is this my water? It's my water.
One that doesn't come back as well, John, with your fingers.
The door comes back on you.
Were you trying to tell me it was deep? Oh, she's talking to someone.
Yeah, she was.
And we're still going down.
There?
Yeah.
I reckon it's about
Nah. I think the highest one is 16. Well, don't quote me on it.
might have a bang.
Now he'll have to go backwards, won't he? And they've moved over. Oh, oh,
Yeah.
oh.
You might have a bang.
Wait, Rich.
That's really... See, when John was doing that, he thinks that that's the engine.
That is the engine, but it's
Yeah,
going
but it's going
backwards.
backwards. She
Yeah.
kept on saying that John was going forward.
And sit down because it's going to bang. This is your bang.
Bang.
Crockery, crockery. Oh, it wasn't too bad.
Too bad. That's horrible,
Couldn't they have built this straight for us?
Hey, you could just straight up the boats in the way.
No, couldn't they have built it straight? Couldn't they have built it straight? It's on a crooked angle, isn't it? I said it is a crooked angle anyway.
Yeah.
It's not straight with the other one, is it?
No, it's not. No, it is. No, it's not straight. It's only a slightly angled, but there was a boat in the way, so we had to go
Yeah.
further around.
How inconsiderate of them to build it this way, though.
Right then?
How inconsiderate of them to build it this way,
Yeah,
though.
true.
Can you pass
What?
that out to John?
Yeah,
Give to Claire?
yeah. When it stopped banging,
Alright.
I'll hand it to you in a minute when we've stopped. Ah, man.
Oh, stop!
Oh my God!
Give that to Helen.
Can you give that to Kelly, John? Before we disappear into the abyss. This is the second one. There's one more to go.
She got me funny.
They're very narrow locks, so. See what I mean? They're very narrow. Gonna bounce again. Be careful. Let him slow right down, Kelly.